all about Rigvediya Devi Suktam. Om Sri Mahaganadipataye Namaha. Shivashakti Samarambham Bhaskaracharya Madhyamam Asmat Srinada Paryantam Vande Guru Parampara. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Harihi Om. Om Ganana Amtva Ganapatigam Avamahe Kavim Kavina Momasravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anasunvannotibis Sita Sadhanam. Om Sri Mahaganadipataye Namaha. Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhir Vajinivati Dhinama Vritrevatu Vagdevyai Namaha. Om. Today let us know the origin of Rigveda Devi Suktam, a powerful outpouring of Rishika's divine realization. The Vedic period saw highly intelligent and learned women who actively contributed to the shaping of human civilization. The Vedas comprise the largest and longest living literature of the world. The Rig Veda mentions around 27 to 30 Rishikas, that is, women seers, and several of the Rigvedic hymns are attributed to them. They were known as Brahmavadinis, that is, women rishis of high scholarship. Brahmavadinis dedicated their entire lives to learning, teaching, and spreading knowledge through their tapasya. Their compositions show the high position women seers enjoyed in Rigvedic period. The Devi Suktam is 125th hymn in 10th mandala of Rigveda. Devi Suktam sees the beginning of the contributions of women seers. Rishika, that is, woman Rishi, named as Vak Ambrini, is the daughter of the great seer Ambrina, is credited with the Devi Suktam. She is among the most ancient women poets of the world. It is not composed by her as one would compose poetry. It is a spontaneous outpouring of her realizations and divine experience. She identifies herself as the supreme goddess, Adi Parashakti. Unlike many other Suktams in which the Vedic seer addresses a Devata, this is composed from a state of divine ecstasy born out of being merged in Devi consciousness. This Suktam comprises 8 verses. These descriptions match with all aspects of the universal goddess Adi Parashakti. The Devi Suktam is a celebration of our inherent divinity and splendor. This Devi Suktam is recited in all Devi temples every day. Recite or listen this Suktam and get blessings of Divine Mother Adi Parashakti. Reciting Devi Suktam. Om Aham Rudrebhir Vasubhichchiramahama Aditye Rutavisvade Evai Am Mitra Varunobha Vibharmehamindragni Ahamashinobha Am Soma Mahanasam Vibharmeham Tvashta Aramata Poshanam Bhagam Am Dadami Dravinam Havishmate Supravye Ejamanaya Sunvate Am Rashri Sangamani Osu Onam Chikitushi Pradama Egniya Anam Tama Adeva Vyadat Purtra Bhuristatram Bhurya Avesayamti Mayaso Annamati Yo Pasyati Yapraniti Yam Yim Sunochuktam Amantavo Amanto Pakshayanti Srutisruta Siddhivante Evadami Ameva Swayam Idam Vadami Justam Devi Bhirutamano Shebihi Am Kamaye Tantam Ugram Kruna Vitam Brahmanantam Rishim Tam Sumedham अं रुद्राय धनुरातानोमि ब्रह्मद्विषेशराभे अन्तवा ऊ अं जनाय समदं कृणोम्यहं द्वावा अपृथिवी आविवेश अं सूवे पितरामस्य मूर्धन् मम योनिरप्सा अन्तः समुद्रे ततो वितिष्ठे भुवनान् विश्वोतामुं जां वर्षणोपस्पृशामि अहमेव वात इव प्रवाहाभ्यारभामाना भुवनानि विश्वा परो दिवा परयेना प्रूदि वैता वाति महिना सम्भावुव। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।